Hi, I am at 81 Lenoria, Casa Bella today, and I'm going to give you a virtual tour of this 4-bedroom property in Puerto Los Cabos. Well, the living room, dining room area offers tons of light and tons of space. As you can see, the ceilings in here are massive and lots of light in here. There's this little area right off of the entryway that you can hang out with another fireplace. This is the fun part of the property. I mean, you have this big fire pit here that goes right out onto the golf course. And walk right onto the golf course. This is a great master bedroom. It's really removed from the rest of the house, so it's very quiet and peaceful. And of course, this is where the views are. I'm gonna take you through the casita right now. It sits at the front of the property, right off the side of the driveway. So if you want to use it for a full-time renter, vacation renter, it's great because they never have to enter the main house.